Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Software Computer Academy Hassan. This is the Python program to display following pattern. Using single looping statement, this is second method. This is our expected result. In this example, 5 rows and 5 columns are there. Directly move on to Python programming. This for statement executes 5 times where I value starts from 1 varied up to 5. So that what are the statements are inside this for statement execute 5 times. Let us execute this program. You can see here we got the expected result. Instead of placing 5 stars, let us place a single star within this double quotation. Let us delete remaining stars. When we are going to execute this program, we got 5 rows, but the thing is every row displaying only 1 star. We would like to display 5 stars in every row, so that after double quotation star and 5, that is what is the content within this double quotation is going to be displayed 5 times. Let us execute this program once again. You can see here we got 5 stars in every row. This is what our expected result.